I have this amazing 2-bedroom plus mid apartment for sale in Reem Island, City of Light, brand new building, high floor. I will mention the price end of the video. Let's first take a tour inside the apartment. Once you entering, you will find a kitchen from this side, and you have dining area and living area from this side, and from here you will have canal and mangrove view and sunset from this side. Nothing blocking from the side. It's the evening, nothing we can see right now, but in sunset will be amazing. So as you see, it's a 2-bedroom master bedroom. From here you have guest washroom, and here will be bedroom, and you have laundry here, as you see. And here will be first bedroom, as you see. And here you have second bedroom. Here is the bathroom, and here is the main bedroom. It's a high floor apartment, 1559 square feet, for sale in City of Light for 2.5 million, and we can negotiate slightly. If anyone interested, contact me to schedule for viewing.